Ebesi ebe kan semina. Ebesi ebe kan semina. Who NDC ni? Who NDC ni? Now,
welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Reverend Opambour, Prophet 1, Ebenezer, Nibuefu. Na Nibuefu ni say, mafia tactics, no. They say there, a drone so. Na, NDC abanya abano. Obia beji ni jejereje. Ebedru obia so. Say we a pastor, we a apostle, we a prophet, we a Danny Dane. You see? But thanks be to God that some of these things are happening. Yeah. Me, I'm happy. I'm so much grateful to God and thankful to God. Say, some of these things are happening so that people will learn lesson. Because everybody has something at stake. Obia one interest. Now, Prophet 1 say, NDC penny bia oye ohini. Say or say asasi bi wo ho a Prophet 1 de no. Sa asasi na onu ohini no pe. Na o see Prophet 1 want me nye hwe fa. Want me nye hwe fa we san say onu ohini no na ban aba. Na ban ne de NDC. He say Prophet 1 osun. Na mo asumu nim dada. Say onu de who can asempe obeji usamia. And you see, or be bono, or the numia cotton swing, all those things. You see, it's not about numia. It's not about numia. It's about Kama. Kama being a real bitch. You, this man of God, well-respected man of God. Ube your politics, and can your politics say? Na so mube dada yese Yakupon se Yakupon na so Yakupon wanka hwi wansomamu. Yakupon onim ho hwi wansomamu. Election ba kwa ye kokoye. Amunim say before 2016 no na Reverend Osu Bempane and MPP4 na they were close pa MPP4 win election no omo ni munyam enti obiape. He said, yeah, so for biad in one shame Kenya. Namu dada ya sa self de piase Yakupon si yenko to abamawe
pa ube fa NDC kwanso waba bam entu ba be fasa se no
David
ube fasa se no na wo ye NDC no wo kwa yakoma NDC wo kun bi you represent John Galman mama some akoso no wo ye NDC ni sa wo pesa wo fasa se no na wo ye ndi wabanya banti wo na wo free satam ye kasamendis na wo kan bi den some ka wo timi ka bi de wade fa so wo besuani ban na wade fa so ye bie do ye be man so ba be fasa se no wo de plaso be fasa se no wo de plaso be fa kacha wo nana so kacha no bi esi asase no so me na me kacha no
asori pen de kwa ya ntwe ama no na di fo de
tumi ya brade de
ewurade yesu
una meso
wono amemo odo omo ba wo di mirika kwa de dwane ye na
ewurade sha obi asofo
obi antumi
obi de ya kan se
obi antumi
sanana no won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a onye very careful
yes
so won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a onye very careful
yes
so onye very careful odi agro meme na busia bo se to wo nyame no me ho me twese kan twintuo and not
say musi Yakupon e kai. Enti e bia Yakupon no anso na ka che ohine no say ombeji asase no free unsem. And say it's possible. Say God is able to tell you say instead of credit scoring system no you should let the people vote from Kobo and Kitinkiti. Instead of 2,000 megawatt of solar energy, the people should vote for 24-hour economy. You say real sectors. Whatever the real sectors are, meaning while they were campaigning, they told us, say, watch it for, watch it rano, or to a dear numere, fufu rano, or to a dear numere. Yes, and I catch it, son, I catch it. As I see, catch it, say, real sectors. Now, real sectors, any day, any budget name. And to me, no, whatever it is. But these prophets, no, these men of God, almost share it. And bikra sa pastor we as a prophet we be say Ghana cabinet me talk am be and all those things. And also usuma no me bia anya juma. Me eto de bia me anka pastors assembly me pese me kebi. So say me sorry ba pa. Me sorry ba. But some of these things they too much. And we have to speak about it. The reason we have to speak about it is say, 2028, they will try to play the same tricks, which we are not ready this time around. Say we will let them accomplish such purpose. No, we will not. So we will speak out. We in many purpose of your politics are ye brass up of your politics. Reverend Tim Fojo. Oh, yeah, Reverend. Nyame ni papa. Nyame kasa oti. But yeah, politics. Until we are able to scrutinize them, say we are politician, and to kasem be say and say we are saying. It is allowed. You can. But you don't come and hide, say we are neutral, and then I will say, ni nano na sana campaign na we. Esansa kufa rubaye no onfa o man sika no nkotoka mamwa na mu chili na muni mu girlfriends muni mu side chicks muni mu wife mu ni mu mamo mu chili akufa do onfa scholarship for the poor and the vulnerable in society no onfa be mamo so that your children will be the ones to travel abroad and all those things na mu buefu afede na mu use the puppet no mu the year campaign mu share campaign no mu kena. And then we bedroom biaso. Bedroom bias power. Power corrupts so. Power. It corrupts papa. It corrupts full time. So be catch say power and corrupt and no boa. A corrupt full time. And we cry the no your word. Nye nu mi asem kokote. Enti na daughter ma ndu ba mi aka say. Asasi biara e wo Ghana bia no. Ese technologically no yentimi trace say we hini we dia we ye busian we dia so that ukona kotos assassina unim say ochina echi no osembia ba efam o se wonpe ena odinya miakopo ansem ni bible we di bully yes ani ye ne afedie o se sen enye oden hwi ni kutreyem Yakupon on so kosa asem so enti se wasem nye writer there is no way Yakupon babe back you against nipa and asem nye right. Yakupon is a just God, a very very just God. This has been a political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana STEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers, see you in the next one.